huge breaking news coming in. This is going to be nailing the lies of Republic TV. This is an exclusive statement of one of the witnesses in the fake TRP scam story, nailing all the lies the Republic News channel has been peddling. He has said, and I quote, in January 2019, one person came to my house and told us he's going to place barometers to calculate TRPs through my house. He also told me that he will also pay 483 rupees per month for placing these barometers. After that, in Jan 2020, one person called Dinesh Vishwakarma along with Vishal Bhandari came to my house for maintenance and TRP readings. They asked me, "Do you watch Republic News channel?" I told them, "No, I do not watch Republic News channel because I do not like it." Then they told me to watch Republic News channel every day for 2 hours and told me I will be paid additional 400 rupees to watch Republic News channel. When I said yes, they paid me 400 rupees in cash. I never used to watch Republic channel, but just because I used to get money on a monthly basis for just keeping Republic channel on, I agreed. Unquote. That is the latest coming in right there. Saurav Akhtarnia, this particular witness account and this particular statement of one of the witnesses in the fake TRP scam has nailed the lies that are being peddled by Republic TV as far as all these allegations are concerned. Not just that, if you remember, our colleague Sahil Joshi also spoke to another witness who had something very similar to say, saying that it was not India Today as being cited by Republic TV, but it was indeed Republic TV that is indulging in this fake TRP racket.
So absolutely, Chaiti, Republic may be telling so many lies, but they don't have any proof, they don't have any facts to talk about. Now let me tell you, just now I am standing in Dahisar area. One of the witnesses is from the Dahisar area. We spoke to them, we are not naming them, but they clearly told us, nobody told us to watch India Today. What the Republic channel is playing around, that they actually told people to watch India Today. Nothing of that sort on record. In fact, we have exclusive access to the statement which has been given by one of the witness to the Mumbai Police Crime Branch team. Clearly state that the main accused, that's Vishal Bhandari, who is the ex-employee of the company Hansa, who actually was in the position to place those barometers. She clearly says that Vishal Bhandari, along with one person, comes to her house. He claims that they should watch Republic TV. But I clearly told them that I don't like that channel. I don't want to watch Republic. In return, Bhandari said, I will pay you monthly. And look at this, Chaiti. They are paying around hundreds of 400 to 500 rupees per person. That's something very mere, very small amount, and they are playing in the TRP, which is in so many crores, and that's what Mumbai Police right now is looking into.
And you know, I want to come to you on this very point. If all these allegations are true and proven, which is becoming absolutely and amply clear through all these witness accounts that we are getting one after the other. First it was Sahil that got us that witness account that cleared the name of India Today. Now you've got us this witness account that is nailing Republic TV for this kind of alleged fraud as well. This means they've not just cheated the viewers to get the TRPs, they've also ended up cheating the advertisers, and that is huge.
Yes, absolutely. Because the advertising investment into the media industry, Chaiti, is around 50,000 crores. So this is a huge sum which is right now going into. So what they did is, they are cheating the people, not just cheating them, but rightly mentioned by you, cheating the advertisers as well, because they are forcing someone to watch their channels, and therefore that TRP goes high. Now, those all statements, Chaiti, very important to mention. The Mumbai Police is claiming that now they have access to the transaction between the main accused, the household, and to the media houses, that yes, there was a money transaction which was going on. They have the Google receipt, they also have the bank statement, and therefore this is going to nail the Republic Media House, and therefore they have also asked the bank statement of the Republic Media House for the last 4 months. Very precisely, in the last 4 months, the Mumbai police believes that they really did lot of wrongdoing, manipulating the TRP and thereby cheating the advertisers and the sentiments of the people all around the India. Now, Mumbai police claims that this might not just stick to Mumbai, but this is a larger scam. Not just Mumbai, but it can be around all over India, which needs to be investigated, and therefore they are procuring custody of.
While this has started off in Mumbai, as Saurabh is mentioning, this could perhaps be a pan-India scam as well. We'll wait and watch to see how this TRP racket unfolds, because this is not just about a Republic TV being a competitor, mudslinging that is going on in the media. This is also about cheating the advertiser and cheating the viewers.